Welcome back to HBRV Lifestyle. This is your honey badger here, getting it to you straight in the RV business as usual. As you can tell, I'm doing another Cougar walkthrough. Keystone Cougar 30RKD. Decent pass-through storage. It'll have electric jacks, including a leveling system. And then it'll have a big power awning, outside kitchen, climate guard package, which is like saying it's winterized. Now, do remember, folks, that outside kitchen refrigerator only runs when you're plugged in. It doesn't run when you're dry camping unless you have a generator. Of course, you have an outside kitchen, and I'm going to squeeze by because it was very tight to film. As you can tell, there's two very nice slide outs. When we get inside, you're going to see the interior is amazing. The actual floor plan is awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see future content or be one of the first to know about future content. Now, as we go inside the coach, here we go, you're going to see that there's a lot of natural light inside. And that comes from all the big windows that they put in there. So instead of putting cabinets or shelves or anything above the couch and dinette, they just put big windows. You have a large kitchen area. Anytime you have a rear kitchen, you're going to see a lot of counter space. In this case, you're also going to see a ton of cabinets where you can put a lot of your kitchen storage. It'll come with an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Now, this is the second video I'm doing this experiment on, where I'm showing you it with everything closed, and then I'm going to reopen everything in a few minutes and show you it with all the cabinets open. Now, for those of you that have a mind like mine, that is an awesome shower because it's, well, for tall people. That skylight really helps out, especially if you're 6'3", 6'4". And of course, that slide out in the bedroom gives you, oh hello, that's me, gives you a walk around king bed. Then you get plenty of closet space, drawers in the bedroom, Jack and Jill entrances into the bathroom. I mean, you can't go wrong with this floor plan. If you're a couple that enjoys, maybe the occasional guest that you'll fold out the couch for or the dinette. I mean, if you want to travel the country in a Tundra or a F-150, man, you're just in luck. It's a great little floor plan with everything you really need. And again, I've been experimenting with this. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments section below. Because in other walkthrough videos, I was opening one drawer at a time, one cabinet at a time, and I noticed I've been trying to condense the videos down, so like this one's just over 6.5 minutes. So let me know in the comment section if you like the new style that I'm putting together. So not bad. And if I noticed standing in the kitchen area that you didn't feel like you were claustrophobic. It felt like you could naturally move around like you do in your own kitchen in your own home. It didn't seem like everything was out of reach. The only thing really that I noticed was when we swivel over to the pantry a little bit later, I just think maybe they could have put the pantry on the other side of the refrigerator if it was engineerily possible. But that's about the only complaint I had about the kitchen. And I love that they're putting an 8 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. And of course, I'm going to pop open the pantry that I was talking about. And again, sorry for my voice. I'm still getting over whatever I had about a week or two ago. Now, these are the cabinets above the TV. It's the same as the bunkhouse, but man, I mean, they don't really waste any storage. And again, Keystone's been doing this a long time, so getting a lot of storage inside of the living room area is very important to them and has been for a while. Now, while this is not my favorite brand to sell, they still give you everything that you're looking for in this floor plan, especially if you want to do long-term travel. You want to go out for 2 or 3 months. It's perfect. I'm scrolling through this last minute, just re-showing you some of the stuff opened up, the big closet space, things of that nature. Now at the end of this video, as we get closer to the end, in the top right hand corner, I'm going to leave a link to the playlist for all the travel trailer walkthroughs that I've done so far. That way you can kind of pick and choose. I've done Flagstaffs, Wildwoods, things like that, and still adding to it. So, enjoy the rest. You only got about 20 seconds left. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it.